One common modal verb is must. Let's learn how to use it. Look at the picture here. When your teacher does this, what do they mean? Sometimes they mean you must arrive on time for class. You must arrive on time for class. What does must mean here? Well, must here means to state the rules. So here, there is a rule. What is the rule? Arrive on time for class. You must arrive on time for class. The rule is arrive on time for class. And the form is the same as other modal verbs. Subject, must, and then an infinitive clause. So subject is you, then must, then the infinitive clause has the verb arrive in the infinitive, followed by the rest of the clause, on time for class. For the negative, simply use mustn't or must not. For instance, you mustn't talk when your teacher is talking. You mustn't talk when your teacher is talking. To make the question, use must, followed by the subject, followed by the infinitive clause, and then the question mark. So here's an example question about arriving on time. Must we arrive on time? So we have must, then the subject, which here is we, and then the infinitive clause, which is the verb infinitive followed by the rest of the clause. Must we arrive on time? And we finish with the question mark. So the question is like other modals. The modal verb goes at the beginning when it's a yes or no answer. Must we arrive on time? Yes, you must. When there is more than one possible answer, use a WH question word. For example, why must we arrive on time? So here we have why. Let's think of a possible answer. Why must we arrive on time? So we can learn everything in the lesson. Why must we arrive on time? Well, we need 60 minutes for the lesson. So arrive on time and we can learn everything in the lesson. That's why we must arrive on time. So must is for stating the rules. And it's also about asking for permission. Because if we say, must we arrive on time? Then we're asking, is it necessary? Do we have permission or not? And here, no, we don't have permission. You must arrive on time for class.